Here it is again. It also appears kind of granular because of all these renal corpuscles, which are here as well. And here's a cutaway view of one of the renal corpuscles. The darker interior here is medulla. And you can see it appears to be striated, bunch of parallel lines because of all the tubes that run through it. Also, notice it's shaped like a pyramid, so these are called renal pyramids. The base of the pyramid is adjacent to the cortex, while the apex, or also called papilla of the pyramid, projects inward into a collecting chamber called a minor calyx. That's what each of these is. 2 or 3 minor calyces come into a larger collecting chamber called a major calyx. So we have one there, got one right here. All of them, though, join to a common collecting chamber, which is called the renal pelvis. And that drains into the ureter, which goes to the urinary bladder. Okay. Also notice, well, here's more of the same. Okay, this is cortex. Okay, this is medulla, and let's look at the nephron now. The nephron consists of these renal corpuscles, which we see here. That's what these little things are here. Inside the corpuscle here, we have a capillary network called the glomerulus, and here's an enlarged one here, glomerulus, and then the structure around it which collects fluid coming out of the capillaries is called the Bowman's capsule or glomerular capsule. The whole thing again is called a renal corpuscle. You can see it there, you can see it here, you can see it here. Okay? The other part of the nephron consists of the renal tubule. The first part, which comes out of the Bowman's capsule, is called the proximal convoluted tubule. That's what we see here. It's highly folded. Then it goes into the descending limb of the loop of Henle, from cortex down to the medulla, then comes back as the ascending limb of the loop of Henle into the distal convoluted tubule. And that's the end of the nephron. Okay? This is called a cortical nephron that has a short loop of Henle. The one with the very long